Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M14 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connections. Now scroll all the way down to access more connection settings. After that, hit Printing and tap on Default Print Service. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you want to use different print service though, disable this one thanks to this switcher. Go back and tap on Download plugin. Then install your new print service and tap on the back button twice. Lastly, just click on it and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!